803 running towards Dragon List. Shit! Shit! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! 803! Drop the gun! 803, well, he's got a gun. 803, he's got a gun. I'm gonna be at Pizza Hut. Let me see your hands! Step out! Drop the gun! Pizza Hut at the washing zone. Three shots fired, one suspect down. Get out of the car! 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 Get the hell out of the car! Put it down! 803, one suspect down inside a vehicle. If I have somebody with a shield approach me.
You okay?
Get out! Get towards them! We're gonna be on the side of the Pizza Hut and the washing zone. He tried to carjack a vehicle. Shots fired. He's still moving in the vehicle.
Hey, I got eyes on him.
Hey, put your hands on your face. Put your hands on your face.
Hey,
put your hand.
black shirt. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. You good, bro?
Yep.
Keep your hands on your face. 803, the vehicle he tried to carjack, he took the weapon out. I don't know if he's still armed or not. Giving commands right now to keep his hand on his face.
I got eyes on him. He's got no 32 in his hand right now. I got eyes on him.
803, 43, he has no 32 in his hand. He's still in the vehicle.
Looks like you hit him.
Yeah, I think so. Hey, are you hurt? Is he hurt over there? Are you okay?
He's good. He's good. He said he was good.
Let's get an RTF ready. Looks like he is hit. He is conscious. We're going to need this whole parking lot shut down if you can get units to get shut down. Alright, I'm with you.
You got him?
Alright. Hey, let's pepper ball this car first. He's still moving.
Hey, we got somebody over here. He's not involved.
Is he good?
Yeah,
he's good.
You're good over there?
All right.
Go around the corner.
Go around the corner now.
You're good.
Hey, passenger, both hands out the window if you can hear me.
The window.
Crack the door open. Both hands out the window. We want to help you. We see that you're hurt. We want to help you. Driver, passenger, open the door.
Hey, get out of here. Hey, go away. Go away. Go away.
No, I need you to leave now.
Hey, Taylor, whenever y'all are good, make sure that he's not involved.
32's right there next to the car. Yeah, brother. On you. Get the haste in for me.
Okay, he's out ahead.
Up! You got right side.
803, giving commands.
Hey guys, likelihood of another fire being on him, actuality pretty low. He's hurt. I say we move up to him.
Hold on, to us.
I know, I'm clear. It's just I don't want to extract him with the pepper ball. Hey,
He's moving his left hand for 43.
I'm clear. I'm watching it. Hey, hold good lethal for me. I'm making a plan right now, guys. Hey guys, we're gonna move around straight to driver's side.
Yeah.
With driver's side open, we're gonna hold lethal for you. We're gonna, I'm gonna let you know what I got, and then we'll push him. And then if we're good, I'll hold lethal.
Yeah.
And then you guys will go around and extract him from passenger side.
Sounds good, man. Sounds good.
All right. Are we all ready
on
to
the
move?
same page with the second element over there? There's going to be a subject with a gun.
Yeah, make sure they're good over there.
Make sure they're good.
Keep your hands up!
Yeah. We're going to move over.
Let me glove up.
Might need one more on hands.
I'm hands with you. I'm here. If you want to hold here, we're going to push up. Actually, you can push up with us.
Okay.
All right.
We're going to pull them out. You clear on the plan? We're going to go there. If we're going to go around and pull them out the other side.
Okay. Hold on.
Somebody go dedicated taser. Let me know when we're up. And
I know a dedicated taser. All right, I'm good on taser, boys.
Ready?
All right.
Move up on the
Passenger,
vehicle.
put both hands on your face. I do not want to shoot you. Please put both hands on your face. I'm holding lethal. I'm holding lethal.
Across.
Yep.
Are we clear?
All clear.
Keep your hands up.
Keep your hands on your face, man. We want to give you the help we can give you.
Crawl over here to me. Crawl over here to me so I can help you. Put your hands on the seat and crawl to me so I can help you. I got
Crawl
you.
out.
Now, crawl to me, man.
You got command star?
Crawl to me, okay? Put both hands there and crawl to me.
Hey, if you can't get out, you want to go to the other side?
Hands up.
I'm gonna
Hey,
pull
man,
my-
keep that hand up. All right.
Yeah, it should
Keep
be.
your hand up, my man. Hey,
Okay, I'm
we're trying to help you, okay?
gonna grab his left hand. I'm gonna pull it. Grab his right. We're gonna pull him on his
Yeah, brother, you hit it all? He didn't hit it.
All right, we're moving up. Hey, guys.
I know you
Watch your guns.
I shot.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not that.
Yeah.
Chop.
Where's the gun? Behind you.
Behind you. I got it.
Oh, you already shot me. Please.
taking off. 290 turnaround, eastbound. 803, biker just dropped the bike. 803, one running towards Dragon Road. He's got a gun. I'm gonna be at Pizza Hut. Let me get in! Get up! Get in! Drop the gun! Pizza Hut at the washing zone. Three shots fired, one suspect down.